Are you ready to elevate your pickleball game? Choosing the right paddle is crucial for enhancing your performance on the court. But with so many options available, how do you know which one to pick? In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market, highlighting their features, materials, and suitability for players of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or a seasoned player seeking an upgrade, we've got you covered to help you make the perfect choice. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the ONIX Graphite MOD Z5 Pickleball Paddle. The ONIX Graphite MOD Z5 is a paddle you'll often see in tournaments nationwide for good reason. If you're searching for a paddle that enhances your game, the Graphite Z5 could be your ultimate companion. Its slightly elongated shape not only gives you that coveted extra reach, but also elevates the sweet spot, providing a more forgiving area for striking the ball. You'll appreciate its traditional width, which makes it easier to block shots or execute those delicate dinks that can turn the tide of a match. The balance of power and control is what sets the Graphite Z5 apart. With its generous hitting surface, you can unleash powerful drives while still maintaining precision and finesse during play. Whether you're a seasoned competitor or a passionate recreational player, the ONIX Graphite MOD Z5 is designed to elevate your performance. Imagine feeling that perfect blend of comfort and confidence as you play. This paddle offers the ability to adapt to your unique style and strategy. So if your game is all about control without compromising on power, the Graphite Z5 could be just what you need. Step onto the court with a paddle that amplifies your skills, embraces your play style, and helps you make every shot count. Ready to take your game to the next level? The ONIX Graphite MOD Z5 is here to support you every step of the way. At number 4, Pickle Genius Pickleball Paddle. When you're on the pickleball court, your paddle is your most essential tool. The Pickle Genius Pickleball Paddle offers exceptional performance without breaking the bank, proving that quality doesn't always require a premium price tag. What makes this paddle special? Its 13mm thickness gives you the perfect balance of control and power, allowing for quicker swings and more decisive shots. Even pickleball enthusiasts who regularly test high-end equipment consistently choose this paddle for its performance advantages. You'll appreciate the paddle's neutral feel and mid-grade pop, making it versatile enough for your developing skills. Whether you're dinking at the kitchen line or driving from the baseline, this paddle responds predictably to your touch. As you progress in your pickleball journey, you need equipment that grows with you. The Pickle Genius paddle's approachable design and balanced performance make it ideal for players at every level. You'll feel confident stepping onto the court knowing your equipment won't hold you back. Beyond performance, you'll enjoy the paddle's clean aesthetic that stands out without being flashy. Perfect for players who prefer substance over show. Why spend hundreds when you can get professional quality performance for much less? Join the growing community of players who have discovered that the Pickle Genius paddle delivers exceptional value and performance. Pick up this paddle and feel the difference in your game immediately. Your opponents might wonder what's changed about your play, but you'll know it's the perfect partnership between player and paddle. Number 3, we have the Recess Premium Pickleball Paddle. Discover the Recess Premium Pickleball Paddle where style meets functionality. Designed for players who appreciate aesthetics as much as performance, these paddles stand out with their vibrant, eye-catching patterns. You can choose from a wide range of colors that not only look stunning but also express your unique personality on the court. Comfort is key, and you'll love the grip of these paddles. Featuring a cushioned faux leather handle, they provide the support and comfort needed for long matches. Plus, each paddle comes with an embroidered canvas cover, ensuring your gear remains protected and stylish when not in use. It's important to note that while the Recess paddles feature a gridded fiberglass surface paired with a standard polymer honeycomb core, they may not deliver the same level of performance as top-tier carbon fiber paddles. You might notice a slightly smaller sweet spot compared to other brands. However, when you make contact with the ball in that sweet spot, you'll experience a rewarding sensation. In choosing a Recess paddle, you embrace not just a piece of equipment, but a statement piece that enhances both your style and your love for the game. Enjoy the satisfaction of playing with a paddle that brings you not just joy but a reflection of who you are as a player. Step onto the court with confidence and flair. It's time to make your mark with Recess. At number 2, Joola Ben John's Perseus Pickleball Paddle. The Joola Ben John's Perseus Pickleball Paddle, a standout choice for those seeking high performance on the court. Though Joola began as a table tennis brand, they have quickly made their mark in the pickleball arena with dynamic offerings, particularly with their paddles designed for Ben Johns, the world's top singles player. This paddle features a unique thermoformed construction, which means it has been heat-pressed together for enhanced durability. As you swing, you'll notice its slightly heavier head, providing a powerful punch that can intensify your game. However, keep in mind that this paddle is tailored for advanced players. While it delivers exceptional power, finding that sweet spot can be challenging. Positioned toward the top of the paddle face, the sweet spot may feel narrow, demanding precision and control. Whether you're a seasoned player or someone recovering from an injury like my friend Danielle, this paddle can adapt to your needs. Coming off a shoulder injury, it was nice because I barely had to work and I felt like I had a ton of pop, she shared after trying it out. For players transitioning their technique or enhancing their strength, the Joola Ben John's Perseus paddle could be a game changer. If you're ready to elevate your pickleball experience, consider how the Joola Ben John's Perseus paddle can complement your playing style. Embrace the challenge of mastering its power while experiencing how it can enhance your overall performance on the court. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Panel Sound Pickleball Paddles. Curious about pickleball but not ready for a major investment? This set of 2 pickleball paddles offers everything you need to begin your adventure. The affordable bundle includes 2 graphite paddles, balls, and cooling towels, ideal for those hot days on the court. At just 8 ounces each, these lightweight paddles are perfect for players of all ages and abilities. Whether you're playing with your children or joining friends for a casual match, you'll appreciate how these United States Pickleball Association-approved paddles deliver a consistent experience without causing arm fatigue. You'll notice the comfortable grip allows for extended play sessions without discomfort, a crucial feature as you develop your skills. While these paddles won't provide the power or spin that professional equipment offers, they give you exactly what you need as a beginner: reliability and control. The USAPA approval means you won't need to replace your equipment immediately if you decide to participate in organized play or local tournaments. This versatility makes these paddles an excellent value as you explore the sport. Many players find that pickleball quickly becomes more than just a casual activity. It transforms into a pathway to new friendships and community connections. With this affordable set, you can easily introduce others to the sport by lending your second paddle to friends or family members. Why wait? Get on the court and discover why pickleball is America's fastest-growing sport. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which pickleball paddle you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.